Gold prices took a big move lower after today's FOMC, moving below 2,600 for the first time in about a month. We saw gold prices moving lower after the Fed cut rates. They're talking about the term that we're hearing out there is a hawkish cut. A hawkish cut, that's right. Basically, the Fed did cut rates 25 basis points. However, we saw expectations for future cuts decline, and now the market pricing in another 25 basis point cut, but not until the middle of 2025. So gold prices came way off as the dollar spiked higher. The dollar traded up to 2-year highs. We saw Treasury yields move higher, back to 4.5% in the 10-year for the first time since May. So we saw some significant obstacles to higher gold prices in higher dollar and higher Treasury yields. So after the Fed, we saw gold prices decline below 2,600, again, for the first time in about a month. Now, what does this mean for volatility? Well, check out that CVOL index over at cmegroup.com. You will see volatility moved higher after an event. Typically, after a big event like FOMC or non-farm payrolls, we see volatility moving lower. However, given the uncertainty of the situation after the Fed today, we saw volatility bidding not only in metals, but pretty much across several different asset classes as the market needs clarity and didn't get what it was looking for today. So volatility was higher as gold prices moved lower after the Fed. Lastly, let's talk about what we have tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday, which means we get our in-the-moment look at the job market via the claims number. We also get Philly Fed. We get a revision to third quarter GDP. We get some housing data. But ultimately, the market is going to be kind of looking at that post-FOMC trade. How does the market react 24 hours after the Fed rate cut, after the hearing from the Fed chair and hearing about the uncertainty of rates moving forward? It'll be very interesting if gold prices continue to slide or if we do see them get their sea legs back under them. So midweek and after FOMC, we see a big move lower in gold, below 2,600 for the first time in about a month, ahead of tomorrow's claims, Philly Fed, third quarter GDP revision, and that post-FOMC trade.